Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's take a look at what just came in. The 2017 Salem by Forest River. This is a 3-slide unit. Model number is 31BKIS. So definitely a family unit. It's got rear bunks. It's got a beautiful outside kitchen. Power awning with LED lights. Place to put your barbecue. All right, I had to move that golf cart out of the way so you can see this better. Slide for the bunk room in the back. Large window in the rear too. Major slide here for the dining area and couch. And your master bedroom is out front. Got a power tongue jack. We also have power stabilizer bars, front and back. Outside looks great. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, walking into the Salem. Door. Okay, here we go. So, beautiful leather couch. That turns into a bed. This dinette turns into a bed. Now, because we have opposing slides, awesome, it gives you a center island. Dual sinks. We have an oven, stove, microwave, Dometic fridge that does run on electric and propane. Storage. Seating position directly across from the TV. Stereo. Oh, the remote control's still there. That's great. All right, bathroom right in here. Voila. Nice and clean. Take a look at the shower with the skylight. Awesome. Next up, master bedroom. Aha. Okay. So when we first got this, it did not have a mattress, and I see we didn't go with a cheap one. We put in a really nice pillow top mattress in there. Brand new bedding. His and her closets on both sides. Windows on both sides. Oh, there's the light right there. Ta-da! Nice, very clean. All right. I just want to point out these really nice lights. See, we got 4 speakers right throughout. Another fan here. All right, let's go take a look where the kids would stay. Hello, bunk. Another bunk there. Nice big window. A place to put another TV there if you wish. Lots of storage. Another big bunk up here. Fantastic spot. Okay. Well, here we go. If you like what you see, guys, we're at Pine Acres RV in Moncton, 80 Commerce Street. Hopefully we'll see you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.